Presenting a pre-owned 2010 Ford Expedition Eddie Bauer. This four-door SUV has an 8-cylinder, 5.4-liter V8 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Ford has less than 106,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 14 miles per gallon in the city, and 20 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include DVD player, power moonroof, automatic climate control, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and power windows.